Mr. Speaker, sir, I also rise to join the Leader of the House in condoling the sudden and sad demise of late Dr. Ricky Sinkhon. And through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to convey my deepest condolences to all his loved ones whom he left, to all his associates, partners, and colleagues, and the multitudes who loves him, the electorates, and we continue to pray that this sudden loss that the state has witnessed, the Lord, the gracious Almighty, will continue to extend His blessings to comfort and give fortitude to all those who are now saddened by the irreparable sense of loss. Mr. Speaker, sir, indeed, this sudden demise is a big shocker, and we only human, so it's very difficult to even understand and comprehend, how fate works. It's difficult truly to comprehend. It is something which probably no one expected, for we know him as a passionate public figure who decided to enter into public life, and we could see the passion and the resolve that he had to truly represent the people and take issues confronting the people and the state head on. In his loss, we have lost a very promising young man who was just in the initial innings in public life, was making a mark, not only at our state level or regional level, but at the national level. We wanted to see him continuing in public life for longer period of time, and we definitely believe that he would and will be benefited as a state. The words are not enough to really describe his passion and the resolve with which he has entered his public life, knowing fully well that this is one of the toughest professions to decide and step into public life, to navigate through this tough and challenging terrain of political landscape across the nation. Having lost him, I only pray that our gracious Almighty God will comfort and be with all those who are deeply saddened by the sense of loss. For as human, we can only comfort with our wishes and presence and prayers, but the true comfort and solace comes from the Lord. For it is written, He is close to the brokenhearted. So the Lord is close to the brokenhearted, and may the gracious Almighty cover each one of the siblings of late Dr. Ricky Singhon and all his loved ones who are so closely associated with him. May God grant solace and fortitude to all of them, and I pray that the departed soul rest in eternal peace.